Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, physical therapist and strength and conditioning specialist at Rehab and Revive. Are you looking for a good, challenging exercise for your back and core? Learn how to do this common PT exercise, marching bridges on a ball, next. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. Also, our team has worked hard to bring online exercise programs to you. You can find the link to our Revive at Home programs below in the descriptions box. We appreciate your support. When should you think about doing this exercise? You're likely progressing from a stable exercise, such as a bridge, where you're holding it for some level of time. Now, that requires stability, and movement, which we call dynamic stability exercises, is what's coming up next. These type of exercises indeed should be a bit more challenging and require more of your attention. So why is this exercise helpful in my performance or rehab? These type of exercises are important for performance because they mimic or help boost everyday functional motions, or so we hope. So let's show you how to do it correctly next. All right, so I've got this on the table. It's a little delicate right now, but really what we want to do is we're going to get those glutes and hips and lower back a little stronger. So it requires us pushing through our heels a little bit and getting our glutes tightened as we go up, and then holding that tabletop first to initiate it. So we're just going to kind of roll back. If you need to protect your neck, that's always good. Some people like a little higher. That's really preference, but it's going to be a lot more difficult if the ball is further away from this bridge. So you're going to drive through the heels, squeeze your butt, get that nice tabletop. I know I've got this little belly here, but now you're going to basically, in order to get this to lift, a lot of people just think of lifting. I actually want you to think of driving the more stable leg down, and that creates a lift. So if you want it narrow, that's fine. If you want it wider, that's fine. It's also preference, but make sure you get that. And if you really want to feel like a little bit more comfortable, you can kind of have your hands down here if you're a little nervous, but you don't want to do this and collapse. You want to be able to pull this up, maintain that bridge. And if this is all as high as you can get, that's good. That's okay. But if you can get up here, great. So if you want to do this, this is typically how I'll do it at the gym. You could do the same side before you do alternating. So you can always just target the same side. And like I said, once you kind of collapse there, you're done. I wouldn't do more repetitions than your body can handle. So there's no benefit in that. So once again, tighten your butt, lift. And then if you want to alternate, make sure you're not just sloshing around. So you want to be able to hold that, lift, lift, and lift. Good. Let us know your thoughts on our video, and please leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.